You are closing deals, but the moment model goes out, your team manually changes signatures, build drive folders, collect documents, and set up folders one by one. The average business spent 11 hours onboarding a single new client. At 20 clients a month, that's to 20 hours of admin eating your capacity. This model fixes that. In this video, I'm showing you an AI-powered onboarding agent that takes a client from signed contract to fully set up automatically. Drive folders created, documents collected and organized, ClickUp project live, welcome email sent, all without a single manual step. So before we start this video, hi, I'm Muhammad Yasin Shahil. I help businesses cut operational costs, reduce error, increase ROI, and grow faster using AI. If you want to see a real practical AI solution in your business, like this video and subscribe so you never miss any update. Boarding a client takes approximately 11 hours. As for every deal you close, your team pays in admin hours. $6,000 average cost to onboard a client manually. Burning margin before the work even starts. 2 to 5% manual data entry error rate. Each mistake costs around $50 to $200 and it adds up across clients. In some firms, it takes around 2 to 3 weeks on manual onboarding. Clients wait, churn, and risk bids before the work begins. Automated workflows cut onboarding errors by 80%. Manual processes never come close. Manual processes errors around 80% of the time, where automated workflows don't. So let's start with our demo. Our onboarding agent has two sub-agents, onboarding agent 1 and onboarding agent 2. So our onboarding agent basically triggers every day at noon and gets lead. Contract has been sent and it checks their contract. If the contract has been signed from all the parties required, and its status is complete, we onboard the client and update the DB accordingly. So let's run our model 1. So as you can see, it has updated our leads info and it basically sent an email to the client, which in this case is my email. So let me open that email. In this email, I had to fill this form. In this, it's asking me gets the basic documents required for the project, like accounts details, branding asset, non-disclosure agreement, NDA, and a questionnaire. Some basic questions asked in that doc. So let me fill this form first. Our onboarding agent 2 has basically updated the database for that lead. And in Drive, if you open Drive, it has made 3 folders: assets, documents, and miscellaneous docs. In assets, we have account details, branding assets, the one we filled in we uploaded in the form. In documents, we have the contract, NDA. In miscellaneous, we have questionnaire. And let's now open client's ClickUp card. And here you can see it has made an David Martins, which is lead's name. David Martins on workspace, the project name, a list with the name of the project, and a card of welcome aboard. And the card, it lies the Google Drive, or the card, it lies the Google Drive link for the leads Google Drive folder. And it also sends a welcome email to the lead. Here it is. Well, that's it for the demo. So our onboarding 1 agent basically triggers every day at noon. It gets the data. Basically, here it checks all the leads for which contract has been sent, but the contract has not been signed. It checks the status in DocuSign for those contracts, has those contracts been completed, signed by all the required authorities, and if so, it move forward and create a folder for that lead and for required information from the contract, and then send an email to the lead to fill an onboarding email. And it also upload contract to the Drive, basically that folder it created for the lead. It uploads the contract in that and update the leads database accordingly, where it add Drive link, Drive ID, and tick mark the contract signed checkbox. And onboarding agent 2, basically when the form has been submitted by the client, it gets all the documents and upload them to the client's folder in the Drive. Then it makes subfolders as the one I've shown you, assets, documents, and miscellaneous, and move the documents in their specified folders, document and branding asset document, and so on. and then it makes a ClickUp folder for the client final email, which include Drive link and ClickUp card link of the client. So I'm using Nathan for running model, Airtable as a database. For AI model, I'm using GPT 4.1 mini, ClickUp for managing client tasks, Google Drive, Gmail, and DocuSign for the contract. So Nathan Cloud costs us $60 per month. But if we self-host it on Stinger, it will cost us around like $10 to $15 per month. And GPT 4.1 mini will cost us around $2 to $3 per month if we onboard 20 clients per month. So a total of $20 per month cost if we use self-hosted Nathan. $9,500 annually saved, as 40 hours of manual work replaced with $30 per hour rate. Onboarding each client reduces from 11 hours to 15 minutes. Same output, zero manual steps. So onboarding error reduced almost to zero. Mistakes that cost around $50 to $200 are eliminated at the source. $30 to $40 per month costing compared to $900 of coordinators cost. 20x cheaper, runs 24/7. Though you onboard one client or 100 clients. Same cost, same speed, no headcount added. If your business is losing time or money to inefficiencies, errors, or slow operations and you think AI can help, let's talk. Connect with me on LinkedIn or Instagram or visit my website. Links are in the description.